Hey guys, it's me RadsRose. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make butterless eggless whole wheat pancakes. So first, with a bowl on a sieve, you're gonna put 1 cup of whole wheat flour, and then you're gonna add half a cup of powdered sugar, and then half tablespoon of baking powder. Now sift it. Now I just want to give you guys some tips there. Like, do make sure to sift it in batches, otherwise you will end up making mess like me. And then you want to add a pinch of salt and mix everything together. Then now you want to mix it all together, and again, please prevent making a mess or everything would just splash out just like I did, and that is not even what the mess have made. Yeah, and then nextly you want to add milk. Now you just want to eyeball the amount of milk because there is no proper quantity or ratio. Just want to add milk in the batter until the batter forms ribbons. I'm really tripping you guys right now. I just spilled everything now. I'm adding more milk now. I definitely need more milk. The batter is very dry. I probably added approximately 1.5 cup of milk, or maybe a little more. Look at that, more milk, more milk. The batter is really heavy. You need a lot of strength to mix it. And this quantity of batter will make around 6 to 7 pancakes. And I'll tell you guys, I could only eat 2 pancakes and I was so full. So I ate the leftovers for breakfast. Now that our batter is mixed nicely, I'm gonna add a little more milk so it finally makes silky ribbons. And this is the consistency you want for our batter. It is nice and silky, but I really don't know why I'm adding more milk. There's literally no need for more milk, but now that I've added, I have added. But these are the ribbons. You see the ripples? These ribbons, they're forming. Our batter is ready. Now I'm just gonna add a dash of vanilla extract, vanilla essence. They are all the same. And our batter is now ready. Now, first of all, if you don't have a non-stick pan, make sure to grease it with oil or butter. But if you have a non-stick pan, you don't need to grease it. I had a non-stick pan, I didn't even grease it at all. So you can adjust the size of the pancake by adding more batter to the pancake, but the shape, it will automatically form a circle. You don't need to form and spread it to make a circle. And you have to cook it on low heat. Low heat makes it cook better. Before I used to cook it on medium heat, and my pancakes never used to turn out good, but now they turn out good, and this is how they will look. And these are so tasty. I was literally eating those. before my pancakes were all done. The pancakes should start bubbling like that. The pancakes were really soft and moist. And this is a real time how much the pancake would take time to cook. I have not cut this clip or fast forwarded this clip anywhere. This is the exact time how much it would take a pancake to cook in real time. So yeah, make sure that. And the pancake has started to bubble, so I'm gonna flip it now. So first you just want to get it off from the sides, and then you're gonna go in the middle. Yeah, look at that. Your batter will splatter, like just mind it, but no worries, it would get cooked. This is the real time, you guys. This is how much time it will take to cook after I have flipped it. It really looks like a photo as nothing is moving in this video, but I swear it is a video. Now I think it is ready, so I'm gonna flip it. And look how good those pancakes have turned out. I can't handle hot stuff. Can't handle hot stuff. So I used a plate to get the pancake in, and I made a stack of pancakes, around 6 to 7 pancakes. I took some powdered sugar. I didn't wanted to do the dishes. ज़्यादा बर्तन नहीं निकालने थे. So I used the pancake spatula to sieve the sugar. I'm so lazy. And then I had 4 flavors of honey. Different flavors of honey. These honeys were so good. This is the jamun flavor of honey. And the moment I realized that my honey isn't staying on the pancake because of the sugar and it's just dripping down, which should not happen. I tried my best, but I failed to make it look good, but these tasted so good. This is the multi-floral one. This honey is lychee flavor, and you could taste the lychee in it. You could taste all the flavors in it. They tasted different and they were so good. And the last one was the wild forest one. And these how my pancakes turned out. They were looking beautiful and I love them. These were so tasty. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe.